Hello, Trashidale to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan language grammar. Today we are part 21. Okay, let's start. So here you can see Jenjukchu 10 suffix letter and Ngunjuk nga 5 prefix letters. Of course, we have learned earlier Jenjukchu, but still we have to learn and keep learning until we become a good. So of course, today we are focusing on Ngunjuk nga, and especially we are focusing Ngunjuk ta today. And let's start. So here you can see root letter or main letter is ka, and Ngunjuk is ta, Jenjuk is na. So this is always we have to recognize and try to identify each letter. Okay, so of course when you look at other books, so you have to try to find out which one is root letter and Jenju and Ngunju. Okay, so that way you have a little exercise, and then you can also keep in mind that only the 5 letter that can go before the root or main letter. This is only 5. Ka, ta, pa, ma, ha. There is no other letter that can be before the root letter and main letter. Only these 5. That's kind of thing we have to keep in mind, not to forget. Okay, let's start here reading. Tao ka na kin. Kin meaning is palette. So you can see this part of this called palette. Okay, kin. Next one, tao ka wa, kawa meaning is like a hardship or difficult. Of course, these are same meaning. Kawa. Next one, tao kara kar ka shabkyu kunga kung. Kar kung meaning is window. Kar kung. Of course, there is another term. Mostly people use that term is ke kung. So of course there are so many terms that we have to learn more and more. Next one, tao kara kar yanaru yo la yul. Karyul meaning is bowl. Karyul. Next one, tao ga dingbo ge parata ta shabju tu ka tuk. Ge tuk meaning is student. Ge tuk. Next one, tao ga dingbo ge ragata ga na gin. Kegin meaning is teacher. Kegin. Next one, tao pa wanaru wo. Pao meaning is hero. Pao. Next one, tao pa manaru mo. Pamo meaning is heroine. Pamo. Next one, tao wa shabyu ula ul panaru po. Ulpo. So here you might be wondering why. Wow, because it sounds like a tao ba shabyu bula bul. No, that is not the way of read. So because of the prefix ta change this, especially pa sound change is wa. Okay, so that's why is we have to pronounce like a tao wa shap you u la ul pa naru po ulpo, not a tao ba shap bula bul. Okay, usually look like we have pronounce tao ba shap you bula bul pa naru po, but it's not correct. It's wrong. Tao wa shap you u la ul pa naru po ulpo. Okay, ulpo meaning is poor or poverty. Okay, ulpo, ulpo. Next one, tao maramar panarupo, marpo, marpo, marpo meaning is the rat. Marpo, marpo. Okay, that's all for today. And today we have learned the ngunjuk tha example, and we have learned vocabulary and the meaning. And please try to remember the root letter, a main letter, and jinjuk and the ngunjuk, and trying to look at in different book and trying to remember and trying to identify which one is root letter, which one is a Jinju and Ngunju. So that way you become more easier and more become easier for next step. Okay, so I will see you in next video. Okay, bye for now.